Yeah, come on, yeah, I spit the lyrics that's smart, I'm out here dropping the intellect, ayy. I am so sick with the bars, y'all are gon' have to disinfect, make off the top, ayy. For other MCs it be hopeless, ayy. Y'all better disinfect this mic like I got the COVID, ooh. Come off the top, all of these lyrics I'm kicking is lava. Sick with the bars, ayy. Y'all better disinfect my saliva, y'all know my lyrics get directed, bars too sick to get disinfected. H-Mac, y'all know that I got them hardcore thoughts, they be trying to disinfect like they got the Clorox. H-Mac, I be coming in deep, lyrics that I kick, not cheap, yeah. Y'all know that I'm really going in, I'm about to represent once again. Better disinfect all these bars I deliver, pulling more lyrical arrows about the quiver. Do what I must, grip on the mic and I bust in my lyrics. You trust and I come off the top, hey. Nothing new, I've been a grade, I be in the shade sipping lemonade, hey. Neck coming through, they saying damn he's great, hey. My rhyme book pages, y'all should laminate, yeah. Thoughts like what you said, I had to bring it back. I got them catchy ass lyrics, y'all can cling to that. Right off the top, you know I'm transcendent. If I done said it, you know that I meant it. Matter of fact, I'm making lemonade, cause I treat a rapper's head like it's a lemon. Crush it, ooh, I got the juice. When I be rhyming, y'all know I got loose. They love the lyrics that Mac can produce. I am the only one y'all gotta choose. I be all up on it, and you know that I'm coming off the tip now. Yeah, every time that I rhyme, people start to dance. I'm really making y'all get down. Okay, we had disinfect, then we had lemonade, then we had another word, I don't know what to say. I'm trying to remember, but I think that I forgot.